Thinking of saving money by installing your own fence? What if I told you that DIY fencing often ends up costing more than hiring a professional? Welcome back to Caan Fence Incorporated. Today, we're uncovering the hidden costs of DIY fence installation. Before you grab your shovel, watch this to avoid expensive mistakes. First, let's talk tools. A fence project requires more than just a hammer and nails. You'll need post hole diggers, levels, saws, and sometimes even cement mixers. Buying or renting these can quickly add hundreds of dollars to your project. Second, material costs. Professionals know how to measure accurately to avoid waste. DIYers often overbuy, or worse, underbuy, leading to multiple trips to the hardware store and added expenses. Here's the big one: mistakes. Setting posts incorrectly or misaligning panels can lead to structural issues. Fixing those mistakes might mean buying new materials, or even calling in a professional after all. Finally, time. A professional team can install a fence in a fraction of the time it takes a DIY project. Consider how many weekends you'll spend digging, leveling, and fixing errors. Your time has value too. So, while DIY may seem like the cheaper route, the hidden costs often make it more expensive in the long run. If you want your fence done right, without the headaches, it's worth considering the pros. For expert fence installation, visit caanfenceinc.com or call us at 78176-73596. At Caan Fence, we build fences that last.